Alrighty, so we are here at the Rocky Gap meet. It's mostly imports, but I guess a lot of people didn't decide to show up. And here are all the cars so far.
I've been holding on for so long, I can't remember why. The fire's gone, I'm all burnt out, the embers have gone dry. I don't need your love to carry on. I don't need your love to make me strong. No, I've got courage to guide me through the dark. I've got courage to follow my own heart. Not everyone you lose is lost. At what cost? At what cost? I don't need your love to carry on. I don't need your love to make me strong.
Got a bee problem.
Seriously? It's not fucking funny.
So we're heading over to look at the cars a little bit more. I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, you fly? Yeah.
Yeah.
Who's you talking to?
So this WRX is nowhere near stock. Oh god, if I can squeeze through here.
No, it's meth kit.
Oh, meth kit.
Yeah, methanol.
Oh. Look at that.
I'll pop that with you.
Alright. Look at that in a minute. So what all do you have done to it? Just the meth kit?
No, pretty much, full bolt-ons. Have a TR intake. I have a front mount, TGB deletes, EGR deletes, AOS to help me clean the oil, and that meth kit.
That's funny. Blame Mike.
Yeah, that's part of Kinetic. That's their sticker that I have.
Yeah.
My 3-shot.
Yeah, my friend Steven's always like, blame Darren. That's what he does, because that's his roommate.
Yeah.
Who gets on his nerves sometimes.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, it definitely looks pretty good.
Yeah. That's alright. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yellow lights in the front.
What? That sounds like shit. Bring it to the junkyard. So, yeah, daytime running.
Yeah, because it starts from the ball. And then it's kind of like blue. Oh my God. So you have to open up the headlight, do like the AC truck. That's the first time.
Oh, Elliot decided to show up with the Cobra. What's up, bro?
It's going today.
Pretty good.
Yeah, it's come out for a little drive with the daughter.
Yeah. Seems like a pretty good.
Got some cool cars out here.
Yeah, they're not bad. If you guys have not seen the video I've done on this car, definitely go check it out. There'll be a card right there, so check that out.
It's a tiny bit closer than that, and I'm like, you know what, fuck that.
Damn, look how close the wheel is to the caliper there. Holy shit.
Yeah, so, I mean,
yours definitely has a lot more room.
well, I put a 20 mil spacer in it, so it's stuck to so the tires now, if you look at the tires, they're flush with the side.
So what all do you have done to your car?
What don't I have done? Okay, so for exhaust, I have headers up pipe, external wastegate down pipe, cat back exhaust. For the intake, I have cold air intake, I have turbo inlet, I've got front mount intercooler, I've got TGV deletes, I got an air box delete, I got 1050cc ejectors, and I got a fuel pump. Those are the big ones. Oh, I got an air oil separator.
I like how all the stuff in there is red and stuff like that. It's a nice touch.
It was something different.
Yeah.
I got red turbo inlet, or cold air intake, and the red. So this comes that way red on the STIs, which is nice.
Yeah.
So I kind of just stuck with the red theme to everything.
Yeah. I mean, red and white doesn't go bad together. It goes pretty good.
But yeah. So, oh, I got a radiator too.
Yeah. That guy down there is trying to fix his lip. He's gonna get some zip ties, so this should be interesting. Yeah. Can't find them?
I kind of cleaned out my car a little bit.
Yeah.
You can imagine it was worse.
Yeah.
It was worse at one point.
I like how this one has the carbon fiber on the Subaru emblem and the other thing.
Yeah, it's nice. It's a nice little touch.
Yeah.
Some of it's vinyl, some of it's actual carbon fiber.
Wow. ¿Te alcanza, Luis?
No, that's fine, because Keshi's getting too.
Oh, get him up?
No, that's good.
Nothing like trying to fix the lip at the car show, huh?
Yeah.
Man, hey, do what you gotta do.
That's fine. It's okay.
This is definitely a really cool show. These guys are pretty damn cool. But yeah, they said they're definitely gonna try to do some more next year. So definitely look out for those days. Check out my YouTube, Facebook page, and stuff like that. And you should be able to find events that we're going to and whatever else. So, all right, Elliot's taking off. So, see you later. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of this nice car meet. I know a lot of you are mostly into American cars, but well, we got one. We got the Cobra to come. So, hopefully, the next time they do this, this whole parking lot will be filled, is what they're planning on doing. So we'll see. Definitely check these guys out on Facebook, JBM Motorsport. Have a link down in the description to their Facebook page and everything like that. So definitely check them out. Like this video. Check out some other videos. Definitely check out the video I did on the Cobra. That thing was insane. So see you guys next video.